Quora Poe isn't just for asking questions. It can help you make real money in 2025. Here's how, step by step. Step 1. Go to poe.com by Quora. It gives you access to multiple AI models like Claude, GPT-4 and more, all in one chat space. Step 2. Pick a monetizable niche like blogging, affiliate marketing, SEO writing, or social media content creation. Step 3. Use Poe to quickly generate blog outlines, product reviews, ad copy, Reddit posts, or Quora answers based on trending topics. Step 4. Monetize by posting affiliate-rich content to Quora, Reddit, or Medium, offering writing or research services powered by Poe, creating content packs or newsletters from AI-generated insights, selling optimized AI-generated articles to websites or niche blogs. Step 5. Bundle Poe's power with tools like Notion, Canva, or WordPress to deliver full packages. Step 6. Position yourself as an AI-assisted content creator. Faster delivery, high quality, lower cost. With Quora Poe, you're not just using AI. You're multiplying your output and turning content into cash.